What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, welcome. For those of you who have been to my channel before, thank you for coming back. For those of you that are new, I hope you enjoy my content, and I hope that you subscribe and stick around for future videos. So for everybody, I picked up some of these, if they will focus, right there. I haven't seen too many videos on YouTube of people actually doing this mod to their car. So basically, I thought that I was gonna end up switching out my lights anyways, because these stock ones, as you can tell, and if you own the car, which is why you're probably watching this video, stock interior lights are not that bright. So I think I got these off of eBay or Amazon. They're just white LED lights. In replace for the factory one. A lot of you guys were actually giving me really good feedback on the last video that I made. So thank you for that. If you guys are new here and you have not seen my previous video, I will link it up at the top somewhere. Thank you guys. I was getting a lot of good feedback on that last video. I'm just trying to add a little bit of my creativity into doing this and hoping that you guys will like it. So basically, from my understanding, we're supposed to get like a screwdriver and just kind of like fit it in between there and press out like this, and I guess that's just supposed to pop out, and then you pop the lights out. So I just got done popping mine out. There's going to be this little tab right here that's going to be kind of a pain in the ass to get out. You're going to want to like put your screwdriver up against this and just bend it back a little bit. So you're also going to have to remove like this little metal, I don't know if it's a heat shield or if they use it to like, I don't know, it just kind of sits like right here, you know, under the light. I've seen people use them, and I've seen people like take them out when they replace their lights. I'm just gonna leave it right there for right now. Basically what we're gonna do now is kind of grab that out of there. It should just pop right out. So yeah, this right here is the stock bulb we're looking at right there. We're gonna go ahead and replace it with our new LED bulb. So I'm gonna put that in there. I would suggest you guys save your parts if you don't already. I save all of my parts just because you never know, really. Alright, so let's open this up. Yeah, fuck this thing. I can't even get the plastic piece back in here with this thing on, so I just... This piece though, gotta put that back on. This really just snaps in. Snap that in like that, and then push this in a little bit, get it up in there. There you go, guys. Look at that. Show you guys really quick. This is what I just did. That is stock. So it's not really dark outside, so I can't really show you like what it looks like inside the car because you can't really tell. But yeah, as you can see, there's a big difference there. So I am not 100% done with the lights yet. I got these two map lights right here done, and then I got the trunk light done. I'm having a hard time actually getting to the light for the license plate and trying not to break the plastic clips. So this is honestly turning out a little bit more difficult than I thought. For those of you who are returning, or for those of you who have seen my previous video, a lot of you guys were asking for me to do like an update video kind of what the exhaust sounds like from inside the cabin. As I'm driving right now, you can kind of hear it a little bit, but I'm gonna end up doing a video on that probably sometime this week and get that out there for you guys who have been wanting it. But yeah, I really appreciate all of you that have been giving me good feedback, positive feedback on my first video that I ever made. I appreciate it. And if you guys are enjoying this video so far, please go down below and click subscribe. I'm just here to, you know, make car videos and add my little bit of creativity into it, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm gonna go have some breakfast real quick. I'll see you guys when I get back. Alright, so basically this is what we got going on here. We have lights underneath our doors. When you open your door, there's a little light that turns on down there, down over here a little bit. So what I did is I took out that piece, which is this piece right here. It clips into the wiring harness right here. So as I was taking mine out, there's a little clip right here. Zoom in. This little guy right here kind of broke off. I spent like the past half hour to 45 minutes trying to get it back on. So if you're going to do this mod and replace the lights that are in your doors, I would be really careful taking this piece out. This piece is basically just gonna like hang out of your door like that, so we don't want that. And that is how you take out the piece the right way. Basically all you're gonna want to do is this piece, this black piece, lifts up like that, and your bulb is right there. So you're just gonna take that out, replace it. As you can see, the light is now working right there. Now all we gotta do is put this back in here. Once you got it lined up and everything, it'll just snap back in. Now it's all flush and all of that good stuff. So now when we go ahead and turn our lights on, we've got that one down there, that one over there that we replaced, and then we have these two and my trunk lights. Alright, so basically I was doing a little bit of research. All of the other bulbs that I have are mostly spares, I guess. So really all I got to replace were these two, the door one, and then my trunk and license plate lights. So I'll leave a link to where I bought these in the description. I got them off of Amazon. They come with spare bulbs, and they come with bulbs for driver and passenger side doors. The two map lights up here, your trunk and license plate, and then it comes with a couple spares. So yeah, I mean, I guess this video is over. So I would just like to say thank you guys for watching this video. I know it kind of dragged on for a minute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I didn't get the chance to put too many little edits in there or whatever, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I also have something else that I'm going to be making a video for in the next couple days, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you are not subscribed already. If you guys are new and you have not checked out the last video that I made, please go check that out. I will leave a link in the description for that. And I think that's about it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys enjoyed my other video, if you guys just like what I do, subscribe and stay tuned for more content that is coming. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching my videos and supporting. Hopefully, we will see you in the next one. Peace out.